I'm Carmen from Dish. Welcome to my kitchen, let's make something tasty. Something you should know about me is that I'm a total trash person. I love trash food and I love trash TV. And for me, the ultimate trash TV show is Bachelor in Paradise. Luckily, there's a new season airing now, so I need to make a snack to watch it. And since the show is filmed in Mexico, what better to make than guacamole? So first things first, we need some ripe avocados. And I'm using 3 because they were on sale. So we simply just need to cut all around the pit. And then you should be able to twist it off. So you just need to whack the pit with your knife hard enough that it will stick in, and then you can twist your knife and it'll come out easily. So now that I have my avocado halves, I'm just gonna scoop them out into my bowl. Make sure you get all that flesh. These are some pretty perfect avocados. I definitely lucked out with these. So I like to use a potato masher to mash up my avocados. You could also use a fork if you don't have a potato masher. It just might take a little bit longer. Now I personally like my guacamole a little bit chunky, so I've left some chunks in there, you can see. And now it's time to add all the other ingredients. It's gonna make this a really good guacamole. So first I have 2 cloves of garlic that I finely minced. Now I really love garlic, so if you're someone who's not as big of a fan, maybe only add 1, or start with 1 and then see how it tastes. Next I have some fresh cilantro. Now this is, I don't know, a small handful of cilantro. Again, I'm gonna add this much and then I'm gonna taste it, and if it needs more, I'll add more. All chopped up, that's maybe about 1/4 to 1/2 a cup. I also have a finely chopped up jalapeno pepper. I don't always add jalapeno, but my friend gave me this really adorable little jalapeno from her garden, so I figured I'd add it. And the seeds are also in there. Next I have 1/2 a lime. I'm gonna juice it right in there. And I'm just gonna give it a mix. Now I'm in no way saying that this is the most authentic guacamole recipe out there, but it's my favorite. Now we need to add some salt and pepper. I like it quite salty, so I'm gonna go for it. And pepper. Mix that again. Let's give it a little taste and then we'll see if we need to add anything else. That little jalapeno really packs a punch. I did also have some hot sauce on the side in case I needed it, but I don't think I need it. Now if you don't use the jalapeno, I definitely recommend adding some hot sauce. This one's a homemade one, but your favorite kind works. So I think it actually needs a little bit more lime, so I'm gonna squeeze in the juice from the other half of that lime, and a little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper. So the thing I always find about guacamole is that it's never gonna be the exact same every time. So you always need to be tasting it as you go, and that's how you're gonna make sure that it's perfect. I think it's pretty good. So I always find that the best way to taste your guacamole and make sure that it's perfect is to taste it with a chip, which is how I'm gonna be eating mine. So I'll taste it now. Big chunk. For me, that's perfect. It's really garlicky, sour from the lime, a little spicy from the jalapeno, and I love cilantro. I'm gonna go snack on this while I watch Bachelor in Paradise. Let me know if you do the same. And while you're here, click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.